Hey y'all, welcome back. As you can see, I don't have on any makeup, but I do have on a cute headband. These headbands came from one of the Amazon blessings pages off Facebook. A girl sent it to me and told me to wear it on my YouTube videos, so here it is. It's really cute. I got one in a bunch of different colors. Anyways, today I'm gonna be trying out some makeup for you that is clean beauty. So for a long time I've been kind of picky about my makeup, the makeup that I use, what's not like ingredient picky necessarily, but I've always kind of like if I tried something and it broke my skin out, I would stop using it. But I tried to stick to the things that I could read on the label and tell that would break my face out before I bought it. And I have never really been a big face toucher anyways. Until I had kids, they touched my face. But other than that, no one really touched my face, not even me. So I think like over the years, you can tell that I've tried to take care of my face at least. So anyways, all that leads up to clean beauty. So today I have a few products, I don't have a lot, from Young Living, the essential oil company's brand Savvy Minerals. This is the Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood Hydrosol. And I'm going to be using that. I have two mascaras. This is the Volumnizing mascara. And I also have the Lengthening mascara and the foundation. Okay, so I'm going to use those today. I'm going to talk a little bit about them, why it's important to think about maybe switching some of your products out, and we're going to put it on. So when I come back, I'm going to have my eye makeup done except for mascara. Hey y'all, I'm back with my eyeshadow on and my concealer. That's all I have on. I did moisturize and prime my face. But before I show you how I put this foundation on, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So if you've ever seen Bare Minerals, it's kind of like the same thing. But the Savvy Minerals boasts that it is like a super clean product. So just for instance, I'll tell you some facts. The US only bans 11 beauty ingredients. The European Union bans 1,328. Young Living or Savvy Minerals bans 2,500 ingredients. So the only ingredients in their products are going to be responsibly sourced, plant-based products. Like for instance, vitamin E, Caroline clay, bark extract, aloe vera, leaf extract, and of course their essential oils are infused also into their products. So what I'm about to use is the foundation. It comes in 10 shades. This is warm number 3. It's a little dark for me. I will say they need a better way to help find your shade on the website. They give you some information, but it's not foolproof, that's for sure, because I feel like I should have been able to pick my right shade, but anyways, it's dark for me. It says that it will minimize the look of your pores, brighten, it's buildable, you get all day wear, it's vegan, so it's not tested on animals. So it's a powder, but it's talc free, of course, because that's one of the ingredients that is not good for you. Here's a little bit in the lid. So that's how dark it is, and of course it's just a loose powder. So trial and error with this. I've tried many different ways. I did see a few other videos on YouTube, and I saw a girl that did a really great job of making hers full coverage, because of course that's, you know, I like a little more than just like a sheer kind of thing. So it took me a while to figure that out, a few days. Things that I did try were adding some of this powder into my moisturizer to make kind of like a BB cream, or like a tinted moisturizer, and then adding like a layer of just the powder on top. That didn't really, I didn't really care for that. What else did I try? I tried just the powder, because it says it's buildable, so I tried to put on a few layers and see what I thought about that, but I didn't really care for that either. So what I came up with was, first let me tell you about this product, because it's something I'm about to use. This is the Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood Hydrosol. So the Hydrosol is what's left over when they distill the Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood. When they distill that to make the essential oil, the water that's left over is this. So it has the same kind of like, I forget what they call it, not constituents, that might not be the right word, I don't know, anyways, as the essential oil. But it's very, it's supposed to hydrate your skin, reduce the look of blemishes, and you can also use it in your hair. You can spray it on your, like in your room or on your linen, bed linens or whatever. It smells a lot like wood, I don't know, like kind of like a a Hawaiian sweet roll, but in wood. That sounds really weird, but that's what it smells like to me. So anyways, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to use this, a glass little bowl. I'm going to put 2 squirts of that in here. And then I'm going to take my foundation and I'm just going to like tap some in. Okay. Whew. I'm going to take a short stacked brush, because I want, you know, more of a full coverage. And I'm just going to like swirl those two together. And it's kind of like paint. So it makes it kind of more like a liquid foundation. And of course it's kind of really wet. I just go as far as it'll let me go. This is the side without. Here's the side with it. I'm gonna blend a little bit down because it's darker than me, a little bit. Okay, same thing for the other side, a couple of squirts, some foundation. It's not much, you can see, it's not very much. And then take my brush, same thing. So a few of the times that I tried this over the past few days, I thought that it looked really good, and then I would look at it up close and it would be like patchy and not look so great. And it kind of looked like, one day, something that I tried, it looked like it kept peeling the foundation away from like this little area. So I had like a spot that didn't have anything on it, and I kept trying to like go over it. Anyways, this to me works the best. You can tell it's darker when I get closer to my concealer, because it's super light, and then this is more warm colored. To do my forehead, I usually just do 1 squirt of the Hydrosol, a little bit of the foundation. With the little brush, you just have to make sure you didn't miss any spots. I did do my TikTok trick that's supposed to make your makeup last a while. And if I can put a link to that video if you want to know what I'm talking about. Alright, so that's it for the foundation. If you wanted to cover some spots, I would just take this little brush, maybe a little more foundation, and just kind of pack it in there. You don't have to worry what it's doing to your skin because it's all natural products. So I like that. Okay. I'm going to, let's do the mascara. So the mascaras, they're supposed to, yes, it's 2, and that's kind of, you know, that's a lot, but you get the best effect from wearing both together. So the Lengthening mascara, this one, the silver one, it's supposed to be flake free, clump free, smudge resistant. Of course, both of these are great for sensitive eyes because they're natural. It uses natural ingredients to help your lashes look thicker, and it also, is it arginine or arginine? I don't know what it is. They both have it, but it's supposed to nourish your lashes, condition them. This one is infused with 100% lavender oil from their lavender farm in France. So hashtag bougie. This volumizing one has cedarwood and rosemary essential oils, and it uses natural plant fibers to promote volumizing, buildable, non-clumping, flake-free, I guess, results. So we're gonna put these on. You know, of course, I can't. Let's see. Get my mirror. I'm not sure if it matters which one you put on first. I've tried them both ways. But we're going to start with the volumizing. I went a little overboard on my eyeshadow today. I didn't mean to. I will tell you that I normally put on lots of coats of mascara anyways, and if you curl your lashes, I would definitely curl them, but I don't curl my lashes because they don't stay. I curl them, and then immediately when I put the mascara on, it goes away. So it's pointless for me anyways, because then it messes up my eyeliner. So that's just one coat on that eye. Let me say that mascara is super personal. It depends on your skin, the finishes that you like, the look that you think looks best on you. Because I've worn this mascara before and it faded down onto my concealer, but that doesn't mean that it would do that on you. That just means that this formula on me doesn't work. But for instance, the mascara that I wear all the time that I love, my mom wears it and it fades down on her and it doesn't on me. So it just depends on your skin, what your skin is like, what you like. Which brings me to a pet peeve. People post on Facebook all the time and they probably wonder why I never, I have to get that off in a minute, why I never respond. They post on like beauty page and stuff, what's a good foundation that y'all love, or I need recommendations for a foundation, and that's it. And I'm thinking, okay, I need more information. What kind of skin do you have? What kind of finish do you like? What kind of coverage are you looking for? Like, there are more than just, I need a new foundation. Anyways, rant over. Clean mascara. I mean, that's, I feel like, a huge deal. And you're getting those essential oils in here that are supposed to help, you know, your lashes grow and stuff. And they would look a lot better if my lashes would curl, but they won't. I've thought about doing the thing where you heat up the lash curler and then curling your lashes, but that sounds like a bad accident waiting to happen for me. Anytime there's heat involved, cooking, curling my hair, whatever, it's usually not good. Alright. So before you go, I want to show you one of the products from the same brand, Young Living, that I really, really like. This is the Lavaderm After Sun Spray. It says for pain and itch. Reed sometimes, like if he's working outside or cutting the grass or whatever, will get like a neck sunburn or whatever. Anyways, this stuff is awesome. It has lavender, which is really good for sunburns, and it helps with the pain. So we love this around here. And of course, Thieves cleaner is big around here in my house too. So anyways, if you're thinking about Young Living, they do have some awesome products and makeup. So took my hair down, brushed it, and finished up my look. I don't know what these two red marks on my face are. I woke up with them this morning. It's not like it doesn't look like a bump or something. I don't know what it is. But anyways, my concealer's looking a little raccoonish today, and I think that's because of the color difference between it and my foundation, but also I got some sun on my face over the weekend and I had sunglasses on, so I have a little bit of a raccoon eye for real. Anyways, okay, so Savvy Minerals, I think it's a valid option, especially if you are getting into checking the ingredients or clean beauty. I've talked before about the clean beauty at Sephora, but this is even more restrictive in their ingredient list than any of those brands that I know of. So you don't have to worry about what you're putting on your skin. Bad stuff, silicone, formaldehyde, all that stuff. You don't have to worry about it. And it's responsibly sourced, never tested on animals, vegan. There you go, guys. Tell me what you think down below in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe so you can see our house journey as well as my makeup hobby. And sometimes our kids are in there doing what kids do.